My name is Emilie Klaus and I'm from Stockholm, Sweden. I'm working with Creative Optimization, who is a partner in this SingleTree project. Creative Optimization's main objective is to increasing the value along the whole supply chain, and with the findings from this project we can hopefully go deeper into extending that supply chain and understanding matching the value from the forest to the mill even better, taking into account tree species and quality and lots of other exciting stuff about the single trees. So we will collaborate with the Living Labs since we are based in Sweden, specifically the Living Lab North. The main impact with this project is that is to be able to trace sort of the, as I mentioned, we work with the whole supply chain and trying to understand how we can maximize the value along it. And I think part of that value is also the environmental impact, and yeah, just being able to trace any product from start to finish is really cool. I think that's a super important